Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Look above the sky so clear. Deliverance drawing near. Cloud of mercy, light of grace. Sky reveal just shining face. Every star a guiding flame. Every dawn exalt his name. No more sorrow, no more change. Sky of freedom shall remain. Prophet point to heaven high, see deliverance in the sky. Rainbow spread across the land, sky reveal the holy plan. Babylon power start to shake, sky declare what Jah will make. Every shadow fade away, sky announce the brighter day. Birds of Zion soaring free, sky of love for you and me. Every color, bold and white, sky of truth, them never hide. Trumpet sound, a mighty tone, sky remind we not alone. Lift your eye, behold the sign, sky of Zion always shine. Storm may come with thunder loud, still the sky, protect the crowd. Lightning strike the wicked down, sky uplift your holy crown. Rain may fall, yet seed will grow, sky provide and overflow. Every season, time and tide, sky of freedom never hide. At the sunset, gold and red, sky of hope still overhead. At the midnight, calm and deep, sky of Zion never sleep. Generations one by one, sky deliver till it's done. Eternal vision, bold and clear, sky of freedom always near. Shine, shine, sky so high, lift the spirit to the sky. Rise, rise, strong and true, sky of Zion guide me to. Sky of deliverance, pure and bright, shining mercy, holy light. Never fading, never fall, sky of freedom, bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and free, sky of Zion cover me. Aye. Zion Reggae. Aye. Zion Reggae. Deep the ocean, wide and blue. Carry love from me to you. Wave of mercy, tide of peace. Ocean brings just sweet release. Every drop of bond so strong. Ocean sing a righteous song. Far horizons near and wide. Ocean hold us side by side. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the ocean's mighty roar. Not of war, not of strife. Ocean gift the breath of life. Babylon ship may try to sail, ocean truth will still prevail. Every tide and every wave, ocean bless the ones just sail. Children play upon the sand, ocean hold them in our hand. Ella bow and say a prayer, ocean whisper love is near. Storm may come, wind may blow, ocean guide the ones who know. Flow eternal, deep and wide, ocean keep your truth inside. From the sunrise to the night, ocean shine with holy light. Carry voices, carry song, ocean move the world along. Every current strong and pure, ocean unity secure. Every heart it pull together, ocean bond will last forever. Seashell echo, dolphins sing, ocean glory crown the king. Waves them clap against the shore, ocean chant forevermore. From creation till the end, ocean stand as righteous friend. Eternal tide, forever free, ocean of true unity. Flow, flow, mighty sea, bind the people, unity. Rise, rise, tide so strong, ocean sing, Jah holy song. Ocean of unity deep and true, carry the people, me and you. Never ending, wide and free, ocean bless humanity. Forever flowing, pure delight. Ocean shine with holy light. Ganja is Marcus medicine, your man. Down in the valley, low and green, hope arise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every seed I promise grow, valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song, valley keep them moving strong. Traveler weary, take a rest, valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripe and flowers bloom, valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile, valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long, valley sing the hopeful song. Babylon crumble on the hill, valley stand by Jaja will. Righteous gather chant aloud, valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above, valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near, valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor, valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest, valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight, valley glow with holy light. Morning sun up on the plain, valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky, valley chant will never die. Generation pass along, Valley keep the faith so strong, everlasting, deep and wide. Valley hold your love inside. Grow seed of peace. Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true. Valley sing just song for you. Valley of hope, so pure, so wide. Lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Valley sing creation song. Forever living bold and free. Valley all eternity.
Crown of Zion shining gold, story of the truth big told. It bless the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, here to stay, forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown, carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall, blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown, just spread, forever shining, never fall. Zion crown, for all, it guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown, by Jahan, forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown, destiny, you see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown, giraffe, forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown, light, it bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown, make we whole, it shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown, Jamaica, no Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown, always show, forever blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, just song, it crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown, Yahweh, when the trumpet sound again. Zion crown, still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown, show Yahweh, eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown, bless all, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you. No chain, no curse can pull it down. Jah people, wear the crown. Zion crown, bright and tall, blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name, from age to age, from dusk. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae King, yeah man. Song of Zion,
the spirit, lift the soul. Zion song make we whole. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. It guide the children, guide the way. Zion song every day. It ring eternal, never fade. Zion song Jamade. No Babylon can mute this sound. Zion song all around. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion song destiny. It rise the people, rise the land. Ganja and Zion, yeah, man. Nah, hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding and from long before, flame still burning evermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone, eternal sign. Blood and sweat, yet spirit strong. Flame a guide the whole along. No oppression, hold it down. Flame of truth, a shining crown. Generation, pass it on. Flame of ancestors never gone. Storm I try to rise, flames still dancing in the eyes. Babylon has spread them lies. Flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside. Flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil. Flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall. Still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call. Flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat. Flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide. Flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing, bold and pure. Flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire. Lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong. Flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high. Light the people, never die. Forever glowing, bold and free. Flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core. Flame of ancestors evermore.
Rasta Zion roll this spliff, yeah man. Burning bright from deep within. Fire of Zion cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan can hide away. Fire of Jah reveal the way. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. Just straight. It glow in temple, glow in land. Light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field. Burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine.
divine. It warmed the children in the cold. It blazed the story prophets told. It danced upon the holy ground. Fire of Zion always found. It rise at night, it rise at day. Fire guide along the way. No storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah, remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul of all. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. Fire of Jah forever bright. Burn high, burn free. Fire of Zion energy. No hate, no fear can quench the flame. Fire of Jah forever same. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. From first spark to endless time. Fire of Zion ever shine. Zion reggae, yeah man. Upon the head of righteous man, crown of Zion shining stand. Not of silver, not of gold, but of love and truth untold. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Crown of Zion all man seek. Every jewel a holy sign. Crown of Jah forever shine. Crown of Zion pure and true. Shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. It glows so bright in morning sun. It shine until the work is done. It mark the faithful, mark the kind. Crown of Jah upon the mind. No Babylon can steal away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It rise above the earthly throne. Crown of Jah forever own. It guard the heart, it guard the soul. Crown of Zion make man whole. It lift the weak, it raise the low. Crown of Zion always show. It sing a song, it tell a tale of righteous win and wicked fail. Upon the brow of holy child, crown of Jah forever style. Me dream at night of shining light. Crown of Zion burning bright. It says stay strong, don't go astray. Hold the faith both night and day. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Crown of Jah reveal the truth. Forever bright, forever new. Crown of Zion shine on you. true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. From dawn of time to endless day, crown of Zion, light the way. Zion reggae with ganja, yeah, man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace, planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, it clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground, roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above. Feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew, learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean. Jah keep your heart evergreen. Meditation time, pon the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youths to plant and grow. Not just herb, but heart, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon know. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Nanya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon done. Zion reggae with ganja, yeah, man.
river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smiles, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Built from roots and blessed from the start. Me sip ital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most high ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. The skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth, feel live and learn. To hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play Jah name. Zion echo, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace.
Na 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 grada. Na 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 grada. Na 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 Zion Ragaya man.
Golden gate so wide, so tall. Zion opening for one and all. No guard of hate, no lack of chain. Only love can there remain. It welcome meek, it welcome true. Open gates for me and you. Every step a song of peace. Gates of Zion love increase. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. It shine with light, it glow with flame. Every gate called Jah true name. It lead to garden, lead to rest. Zion welcome all the blessed. No rich, no poor, no high, no low. All together gates will show. Every heart a holy key. Gates of Zion set you free. It open night, it open day. Gates of Jah no closer way. It lead the soul to holy ground, where eternal love is found. It break the chain, it lose the tie. Gates of Zion never lie. Every step up on the floor, open wide forevermore. Me see it shining in me dream. Golden light like holy stream.
bless the child. Every soul by gates beguiled. Come one, come all, no man denied. Zion gates forever wide. When the trumpet sound again, gates of Zion stand remain. It welcome faithful, welcome true. Open arms for I and you. From dawn of time till time is gone, gates of Jah forever strong. Love eternal truth inside. Gates of Zion open wide. Step in, step through. Gates of Zion call for you. No wall, no bar can hold the way. Zion gates forever stay. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. From earth below to heaven shore, gates of Zion open more.
Shining strong, it bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan, forever glowing, wide and free. Zion way destiny, me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion way never done, it lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way Jah truth, forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way Jah light, it hold the spirit, hold the soul. Zion way make we whole, it shine eternal, never fade. Zion way Jah made, no Babylon can hide the sign. Zion way divine, forever blazing, pure and long. Zion way Jah song, it guide the people, guide the land. Zion way Jah hand, when the trumpet sound again. Zion way still remain, forever holy, never cease.
Jah peace from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion way, show Jah way. Eternal walking, firm and strong. Zion way, just song. Walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me. No chain, no wall can block the road. Zion way, heavy load. Zion way, clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way, exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion way still carry on. Zion Raga. Nah, nah, nah. Zion Raga. From the hills me hear a call. Echo bounce from wall to wall. It tell the people stand up tall. Babylon rise but Babylon fall. River sing on mountainside. Bird fly free across the sky. Every sound a prophecy. Zion whisper destiny. Zion echoes in me ear. Calling with it trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jah presence everywhere. Me walk the path where ancients trod. Every step I praise to God. Stone and tree and stream agree. Nature speak in harmony. Wind carry word from far and near. Hold the faith, the time soon near. Zion voice in heart so strong. Guide me right when things go wrong. Children learn the chant from birth. Pass it round across the earth. It cure the mind, it heal the soul. Zion chant make people old. Elders say it's more than song. It's the road we trod along. Echo ring in morning mist. Every beat a sacred twist. Echo high, echo low. Through the rain and through the snow. Carry hope, carry peace. Till the Babylon system cease. Zion word not fade away. Still a guide we to this day. When nightfall come, me still can hear voice of Zion loud and clear. It tell me rise, no time for sleep. Harvest soon from what you reap. Me close me eyes and sing along. Zion echo keep me strong. Zion echoes in me ear. Calling with it trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jah presence everywhere. Zion echoes in me ear. Calling with it trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer. Jah presence everywhere. Jah presence everywhere.
ganja, yeah, man. On the way, yeah. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating, Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, me spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we all firm. Like the lion we roar. With every term, we not beg system. We build our lane, plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah not bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold. Aye, Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Babylon can pull me low. Mountain of Jah always show. Me sit up on the rocky place, see Jah glory, feel Jah grace. It chant the name for all to hear. Mountain whisper Jah is near. It call the humble, call the meek. Every soul the mountain seek. Strong foundation never fall. Mountain of Jah always show. When the trumpet sound again, mountain rise above all pain. Forever strong, forever true. Mountain bless me, bless you too. From morning sun to setting fire, mountain lift we ever higher. Holy Zion, holy ground, mountain echo Jah true sound. Climb high, climb strong, mountain of Zion, all life long. No chain, no wall can stop the climb. Mountain stand for all time. Mountain of Zion, firm and sure. Stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. From earth below to heaven high, mountain of Zion, never die.
Oi, 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 Kingston, skunk, smoke, yeah, man.
Me wake up on me earth strand day. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth now come from system life. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand pan roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk Jah way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw. Me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills where I'm real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire in me, not from rage, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil. Me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause. Me chant the psalms, me praise Jalas. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We nah need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold Jah love and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose.
first step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jaja throne. Me soul and the smoke alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth's done chant me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide.
Ay, 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 son of Zion, ganja blaze, yeah, man. Me step out of me yard with a lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me now walk alone, me trod with a light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see a youths with no hope, no plan. But me say hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. We carry the stamp in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Me not dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth, where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me not throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston street to Berlin yard, one rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in a ear. Lion roar deep, no time for fear. Me dep on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system road, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that's a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me not need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line and blaze the earth fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here